This is kind of like Easter in October.
Okay.
Hey, Emily.
Would you show me who?
Is there treats in there? Is there treats in there?
No, goldfish.
Goldfish? You found some goldfish?
Shake it. Get another one. Shake it.
What about another egg?
Shake it.
Any treats in any of your other eggs?
You gotta shake them. Shake it. What is that? Show
What's in there?
What it is.
What is it? You got a mouthful of...
having goldfish in your mouth.
You got a mouthful of goldfish.
I see.
What is that treat?
A fish? It is a fish, isn't it?
No, Mama, hold it.
Okay. Uh-oh.
You don't have to eat them all at once. Yeah, well, you can eat as many as you want. It's okay. What's in there?
Goldfish.
Goldfish? Show Mom.
You found more goldfish treats?
How they mix with your jelly treats, your gel stuff. Maybe you should get them all out and set them on the table and play with them.
Look at me, Bella.
Oh, I don't want to eat your goldfish, baby, but thank you. You want me to take it back? Okay. Mmm. Eat it all? Okay. Thank you. Give me kisses. I want a kiss. Mmm. Thank you for the treat, Emily.
Uh-oh.
I kicked it.
Treats in there too?
Yeah.
All right. You chunk that down and stuff in your mouth and get some more.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. More treats? What are those?
What are those?
Those.
Oh, you better wait till you eat your finish the ones in your mouth and then you eat those. I bet those are good. I didn't mean to swallow them whole.
It's done.
Okay, I see the just swallow them whole.
Oh. Be sure and chew them up, Emily.
She had a big mouthful. I pissed back. Go eat them all. She goes, it's done.
Easy.
Treats.
I
don't want one. Thank you.
Look, Mama. I got them, Mama.
Okay. You finished eating your treats?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.